Hey, it's Wayne from Wayne's Hot Rods. Well, we took the old girl on our maiden real voyage today. Fuel pressure was great. Put a new fuel filter in it. And driving it, it's got a small radiator. It's cold out, but it was starting to get up around 200. So I was going to head home. I slowed down, let it coast a little bit, and it cooled back down, so figured I'd make a test hit. Well, first gear was great, hit second gear, and antifreeze all over the place. I don't know if you can see it, but the back of the water pump blew right out. So, yeah. Now I'll have to go over and get the trailer so we can trailer back to the shop so we can change the water pump. I think I have a spare in the garage. Alright, thanks for watching. Just figured to give you a quick update. Car does fly. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.